They say Finland airport don shocotalize as they see more than 500,000 Biafrans trooping in their country. No be small thing o. They say even though Simon Ekpa dey, they say they must declare Biafra and the Biafra must be restored. No going back. My people, watch the videos.
Good evening, everybody. Here is Tinubu John reporting from Helsinki Airport. Here is our Biafra members, everybody attending the convention. Here is our meeting points before we move on to where we belong. It's going to be a wonderful evening to start with. You can see people are having beautiful. The steamer is very beautiful. Please. We are going home.
To the Wi-Fi.
He's still free, but he doesn't have his phone. They confiscated his phone. Okay, and then he can go about and do things and come back and do someone doing your thing. That's it. Now it's more open.
They say there is somebody paid money into his account.
Yeah, billions of naira.
They say he paid money into his account. I said, who gave him back his account?
So who gave to?
If he gives him back his account number, then he becomes a terrorist.
Yeah.
Meaning that Ban himself
He's a terror.
a notorious terrorist. Because if you put money in somebody.
We're here live in Lati, Finland, for Biafra Declaration Convention. Biafrans from all over the globe meeting up here in Lati, Finland. Come on, join us. Thank you.
Hello, Biafrans, lovers of freedom. I have arrived Finland. You can see the airport is really happening. Finland people were interviewing us, asking us what is going on, and we were telling them that we are here for the declaration of the restoration of United States of Biafra. My people, these are my sisters that are with me. We are waiting to go to Lati. We are in Helsinki Airport. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Look at one of our sisters. She's here. Look at another one. She's here. And this one is helping us. So my people, we are done. We have left Nigeria. Celebration will be in 2 days' time. All hail Biafra.
Yes, sir.
Almost hail Biafra.
Yes, sir.
Almost hail Biafra. I'm so excited.
Good morning, dear friends, especially the Bridge members. I want to tell you that this is the Italian delegation. Not all, but this is the Italian special delegation. It's from the Ministry of Defense, Department of Military, Biafra Republic Government in Exile. And we are here to usher you a very good melody
concerning our declaration that is going to happen from the 29th to the 3rd of December 2024. So may we sing for Biafran people?
All right.
1, 2, 3.
We are Biafrans, fighting for our freedom. In the name of Chukwa Biama, we shall conquer.
All hail
Biafra.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, dear friends. This is your only Anwa Omoada. We just landed in Lati. Please be resolute. Let nothing shake you. Be strong. Be strong. Our PM is there. He is hale and hearty. And we are going to visit him tomorrow. We move.
Yes, we move. Yes, sir. Biafra is here.
Biafra is
December
here.
is sacrosanct.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Honorable. See you tomorrow. And the magic, I'm going to take a video. Bye. Bye. Okay. Hey. What's coming down?
Live. DJ Simon. There was Simon. Punya da no bebe. Excuse me. Yeah man. Man. I make it like in 7. April of it. Okay. Ufra. Okay, see you later. Ekpa. Doom. Ekpa. Biafra. Ubunibwe.
Here we come. Wait for us. Lati will be there. Live and direct.
I'm live in the video. This is Bishop Comfort.
Yes.
This is Bishop Comfort. We are going to finish it all in Finland. Who said that we will not get our freedom? Look at it. Biafrans, this is update. All hail Biafra. Look at it. All hail Biafra. Yes. Tell them what you want to tell them.
I am mad with you.
We are in Finland.
Yes.
We are in Finland to finish it all.
Finish it
The
all
end
today.
of corruption. The end of Nigeria.
Imagine.
The Finn. The Finn.
Yes.
Finn the corruption.
Amen.
Amen. Yeah, all their friends are here.
We were there when it started at home,
Yes.
1966.
Yes.
And we are here today
Yes.
to end it.
To
Yes.
give final of it in Finland.
Finish.
Yes.
You.
They will.
Thank you, sir.
They will. Yeah, what is sister? Yes. This is what is sister you hear of. Yes.
There was no Biafra Day and sing.
In Finland. We finish it in Finland. Hey, brother. Yes, so. The update is here. Everyone is here. We come to finish it all. Yes. 247. Yeah? 247. Biafrans, we are here. We are here. The only way Biafra will not come is just like they will come and sink that land. That place will become water, ocean. That is the only way. If not, they will just give us Biafra. Yes. So if they cannot do that, we are good. We are all hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. In the live. YouTube. No. Okay.
Hello, Biafrans, lovers of freedom. I have arrived Finland. You can see the airport is really happening. Finland people were interviewing us, asking us what is going on, and we were telling them that we are here for the declaration of the restoration of United States of Biafra. My people, these are my sisters that are with me. We are waiting to go to Lahti. We are in Helsinki airport. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Look at one of our sisters. She's here. Look at another one. She's here. And this one is helping us. So my people, we are done. We have left Nigeria. Celebration will be in 2 days' time. All hail Biafra.
Yes, sir.
Almost hail Biafra.
Yes, sir.
Almost hail Biafra. I'm so excited.
Yes, on our way to Finland to finish exactly what we have started. DOS, we don't start and deliver our things on the way. We start and finish it on our way to Finland.
28th of November 2024. I am on board Finnish airline, flying down to Helsinki, and final destination is Lahti. What's it about? What am I going to do in Lahti? This is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. Hope you can read it. Biafra Republic. That's what is making the whole world jump up and down. They are all jumping up and down because of this. Because of this. Everybody in the zoo has been dropping up and down because of this. The Biafra all over the world, different continents, everywhere are converging in Lahti for the convention, which starts on the 29th of November to the 3rd of December 2024. And what are we going to do there? On the 2nd of December, when all the votes have been counted and collated, a mandate will be given to our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, who is currently answering some questions with the Finnish authority. When that vote is counted, he will then declare the restoration of the independent states of Biafra. And what does that mean? It gives him the legal right to go ahead. Biafrans have given him the right. Go ahead and get us Biafra. And that is what it means. In a short form, that is what it's all about. That is what you are seeing, everybody jumping up and down. This is it. It is Biafra or Biafra.
Don't forget say you still dey for Pump Info News. As you dey watch, make sure say you dey share am so that other people go dey get the information and know how it dey go. Keep checking, we are updating you guys.